soon as someone purchases, we really want to make sure that their experience is as great as possible. So we're more than happy to send them some resources, make sure that they get as much training as possible, and then make sure that they're actually introduced to a customer success manager to guide them through the process of really getting Drift up and running on their site.
I think it's really important for us to communicate because it's important for us to know what they discussed in a sales process, to understand what business problem they were trying to solve by buying Drift, or if they're trying to explore like generating more leads or something along those lines. It's really important for us to understand that.
Yeah, I'd say from a sales perspective, depending on the use case, whatever the customer is telling us, we really want to go to customer success and see what other customers have experienced in that light to be able to make sure that we could address that and really get ahead of the game and make sure that we're doing exactly what they want to do at their end goal.
And it's nice to have two sets of eyes on things because we all are busy, and it's nice to know that he's kind of watching and making sure that there's no red flags. If he sees something that he knows wasn't in line with what the customer had wanted when they purchased, like he can, reach out to me and say, hey, maybe we need to schedule a call. And I think that just adds to the customer experience from start to finish.